Do you know the most important thing in a video and a podcast is the sound? The mic. Yes, the mic, not only the camera. Most people will think the camera is, oh, yes, I need a 4K, I want to be a YouTuber, I need the best camera. Yes, you do. But you can have a 4K camera with terrible sound, and believe me, that will not work. So let me show you today this beautiful mic, USB. It took me less than, I think, 20 seconds to set up this thing. So right now I'll show you the FIFINE k668 USB studio mic. Hey, how we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today we got this mic USB plug and play condenser microphone. So it's home studio condenser microphone. What I like it, I plug it in. It took me like less than 15 seconds to config. I'm using for Widecast right now. It's running a Widecast in the background to record this video. Real nice. Now, like I said at the beginning, if you want to start to be a YouTuber or you want to run a podcast show, the most important thing is the sound. You can have a good camera, but I need a good mic. And sometimes the mic needs to fit in the budget. And I said, this mic will definitely fit in the budget, but not only the price is real good, and was surprised how good the price it is. It's the quality of the mic and the sounds. It's a good condenser microphone, works with 5 volts through the USB. You can start recording your own shows or anything. It recognizes automatically. You can use it for Skype, for a Google search, for anything you want to do on your computer. Because even if you start like a YouTube channel, you're not going to be using your regular mic in your computer. You cannot do that because that sounds terrible. Sounds like you are in a can. And this is a mic. And I like the value. Another thing too, normally my mics, I don't keep 100%, 90%. And this one with the 90%, I see my volumes is real hard. That's real nice. I don't have to go crazy. I'm pretty far. I don't need to be screaming to the mic. Is one thing I like about this. It's a good quality. It feels pretty heavy. I like the tripod, and it comes with the. It's gonna make some noise now. So it's come the protector, yeah, because you want to protect it. You don't want to send anything to the mic. So this is a good thing to keep it nice. But if you see, it looks real nice. And what we get in the box, we get the mic. Then instructions. Simple. Anyway, in the end, I'll show you how you set it up in Windows, how you got to configure in Windows. And it comes with a real nice box. You can put it away. If you want to take the tripod, you just squish this down. And I like it because this look good. It's heavy, sturdy, don't go anywhere. And you can move it up and down. It's perfect. Definitely if you are a beginning YouTuber or even an advanced YouTuber, you want something simple to plug it in, not go crazy like me and have a console and all these things. Just plug it in and start recording your show or making Skype phone calls or whatever you want to use. All the information that require you to get this real nice YouTuber studio condensing mic home will be right below this video. Thank you. Alright, so window detected, very simple and fast with plug and play. I don't need to do anything. Just do right click in the speaker, open sound settings. From the sound setting, go into the input device, and you're going to search for the plug and play USB mic. It will be your new default. You click on there, and that is down. Now your next thing is click on the sound property to bring the next window. We're going to be regulating the input. You don't want 100%, and all my recordings always leave about 85, 80, because you can get some computer gets a lot of background noise from the computer itself. So if you bring it down to 80, you will get a good recording. Some, as you hear right now, I'm using the USB plug and play mic, and it has real good sound. All right, with this we complete the tutorial. Thank you.